everyone!
Hello!
This is Laura.
I'm Becky.
Due to the coronavirus outbreak, many countries have implemented the quarantine policies. So we have so many inquiries about how to do the homeschool activities. Today we would like to share with you Weplay Jungle Circus. Let's unbox it.
Okay, so now as you can see, here we have 28 elephants with 3 different sizes and weight. The elephants' bars are 4:2:1 weight ratios, and we also have 4 planks in each box. For more details about Weplay Jungle Circus, please check the videos above.
We're not sure what the video gonna be.
So today we will focus on this activity called.
Okay, we have designed 24 challenges. This game is suitable for age around 3 to 8 years old, and it's for 2 to 4 kids to play at a time. So let's take one card for example. You can see there are some elephants and one plank on the card. You might say it's hard to tell the right size. Which elephant should I choose? But if you look more carefully, you can find the eye and the ear design are a bit different. For instance, this elephant got smiling eyes, and this one got long eyelashes.
And it has mascara.
Yes, this one got makeup on, and this one got no more open eyes. And the ear design, this is the hollow one, black one, and then also the ripple ones. So the kids can, according to the card, to get the clue which elephant they should choose, and then to make the balance seesaw. This really gonna enhance their observation skills.
Yeah, and you also can see there is no colors on the card, so children can take any colors they like. They just need to correspond to the size. And according to this card, I have already taken 3 elephants and 1 plane. So now I have to use these materials to make a balanced seesaw. First, choose an elephant as the base. Then, place the rest elephants on the plank and adjust the distance to make them balanced. Look, I made it. And for children aged 3, they can place the elephant horizontally, which can help them to improve their hand stability. But for children aged 7 or 8, they can try another advanced level. Oh, did you see? Here are some scales on the plank, and in the middle, here is Weplay logo, and we can see this logo as a reference point. Then in order is 1, 2, 3, 4. This side 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. And did you remember the weight ratio of these bars are?
1 to 2.
That's right. So now I can place this small one on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put the medium 2 on 2. 1, 2. See? It also can be balanced. And according to this balance seesaw, children can get 1 times 4 is equal to 2 times 2.
Oh, so it's really challenging.
Yeah, it's quite hard, but it's really suitable for children who start to learn math concept. And for young children, they just need to think how to make a balanced seesaw, and which can help them to improve their strategic thinking and fine motor skills.
So if you play in a different way, is the first player choose the large elephant as a base, but the second player have to make the seesaw balance in totally different orders. For instance, I choose this one, the medium one, as the base. And then I also need to make the seesaw balance, so maybe this one. Ta-da! Yes, I made it. And then the third player have to use the small one as a base. So everyone have different orders, and then the children all can learn from them.
Yeah, that's another way of playing. Or for advanced level, you also can paint 1 elephant on the card and assign these certain color elephants to be used as the base. So there are multiple ways you can play. This activity card is really suitable for children aged 3 to even adults.
So can we play right now?
So let's start!
We have divided our elephants into 2. Each of us got 14 elephants plus 2 planks. Now we're gonna draw the cards, and then we're gonna see who is the fastest to make the seesaw balance.
Okay.
You go.
So this one?
Okay.
Okay, so this one we need to take 1 1 large elephant, 3 medium, and 3 small.
3 medium, 3 small.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot.
3 medium.
Okay, I'm about to go.
Oh! 3 small.
This is not easy though.
Oh. I'm done!
Done. Oh, you cheat. Oh, not cheating. You just make it a circle and then one row
Yeah.
away.
So it's much easier.
Okay. Okay, you got 1 point this round. I would like to show you guys that we also play in different orders.
Yeah.
So round 2, we need to make the second level like this.
Okay.
Okay, more challenging. This one.
Okay.
Okay, 4 medium, 1 large, and 1 small.
4 medium.
4 medium, 1 large, and 1 small.
And 1 small. And second floor, right?
Done.
Oh!
Second floor. Woo! And 1 small.
No.
4 medium. Oh!
4 medium.
Oh. What's
So,
wrong with
I'm
3 2? What's wrong with 3 2?
And second floor. And I put 1 in the middle.
I made 4 floors. It's quite fun.
Yeah. I think it's cute.
Yeah. It's really like a circus.
Okay. I put 1 in the middle, so which is much easier.
Okay. Round 2. So you got 2 right. You win 2 times.
Yeah.
We got round 3.
Okay. Choose 1.
We need 2 large one, 1 medium, and 2 small. Choose the small one as the base.
2 large, 1 medium, and 2 small. Choose small one as the base.
That's right.
Oh. It's hard.
Done. I'm not cheating.
Yeah. Me too.
That's a small one. I'm like a fun small one.
I'm
Oh! Okay, you win. I know. I just wanna challenge myself. See if it works. Ta!
3 floor.
I think I'm quite talented to make this. I think it's quite fun.
Yeah.
If your kid is around 2 years old and then he doesn't know what to do, you're gonna help him to make it balance. And then just put whatever in the middle.
Yeah, the base will be stable, right?
Yeah, it's quite stable. And then while he is practicing is try to enhance the hand stabilities. Maybe the third level, like this. Okay, so I think the age range is quite wide. You just need to find the right way for the right age.
Yeah, so there are multiple ways you can choose and depend on the children, their ability, right?
Yeah, depends on the children's abilities.
Yeah.
So this is our unboxing today. Hope you like it.
Yeah, so bye bye.
Be safe. Bye bye.